When it comes to footing column surveys, Scon Design India Private Ltd in Marathahalli, Bangalore is undoubtedly the best company to rely on. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Footing column surveys are an essential part of any construction project, as they provide accurate measurements and assessments of the foundation and structural columns. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a proven track record of delivering accurate and reliable footing column surveys, ensuring the safety and stability of buildings. One of the key reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out as the best company for footing column surveys is their expertise in the field. They have a dedicated team of surveyors who are well-versed in using the latest technology and equipment to conduct surveys. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy in footing column surveys, as any errors or miscalculations can have serious consequences for the structural integrity of a building. With their expertise and attention to detail, they ensure that every survey is conducted with utmost care and precision. Another factor that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart is their commitment to providing comprehensive survey reports. After conducting a footing column survey, they provide detailed reports that include all the necessary information and measurements. These reports are easy to understand and serve as valuable references for architects, engineers, and construction professionals involved in the project. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in their ability to deliver clear and concise reports that can be easily interpreted and used for decision-making during the construction process. In addition to their expertise and comprehensive reports, Scon Design India Private Ltd also prioritizes customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd works closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. They are a trusted company in the field of footing column surveys. In conclusion, when it comes to footing column surveys, Scon Design India Private Ltd in Marathahalli, Bangalore is the best company to choose. Their expertise, attention to detail, comprehensive reports, and commitment to customer satisfaction make them stand out from the competition. Whether you are planning a new construction project or need an assessment of an existing structure, you can rely on Scon Design India Private Ltd to provide accurate and reliable footing column surveys that ensure the safety and stability of your building.